Hey guys, what's up? It's Nick here, and today we're gonna be playing some Skywars at Hive MC. I've never really played here, like ever, so I don't really know what to expect of it. Let's just see what's in here. Okay, what stuff do we have? Nothing good. That's it. Okay, I see some diamonds. Let's get this diamond. What? It's like a lucky block? There's a lucky block. Really? Let's go with that. I got some lapis, lazuli, okay, iron ore. Gave me random stuff. Okay, let's just keep our sword in the first hotbar. Second, third. Let's go like this. In case someone tries to kill us, we're gonna be safe. I don't get it. Okay, let's go. Emeralds. Okay. Please be something good. I don't like lapis. Give me diamond arrows and a diamond. Gee, man. Oh, I got another heart. Oh my god. I have more hearts than ever. So let's find this. I got some food. I got an axe. Like I need it. I got slowness. It's okay. Okay. Anywhere. Okay. String. Yeah, slowness for life. Ooh, that is good. I'll just mine this. I don't know if it's the same effect with... Oh my gosh, it was such a close call. Okay. Looks like it's the same effect with this pickaxe, but it's fast. Even better. Oh, we got a lot of armor already. Okay, all we have to do is chill here. Jump boost like I need it. This is a fun minigame so far. I'll just say that. I don't know the level of PvP of these people, but the luck level of that's good. Ooh, got 2 diamonds. What can we do with them? Nothing really. I can make a sword, but we already have a sword. You know what I mean. Oh, lapis. Fast digging. Look at that now. Yes, fast digging. Okay, let's see what thing. Ooh. Let's just store away all these stupid items. Like, I don't need a stone sword. And on this, the stone axe. I don't need the. Okay, so we're pretty good on supplies, so we can go ahead and kill people. But first, we have to make a bow. We have a crafting table, so let's make a bow. It's a beautiful bow. Get up! I'm scared. Get out of my car! I don't like you here! Get out of my fucking car! Get out my car! Get out of my car! Ooh, that was amazing. Okay, I don't need this. I mean, I don't need this. Oh yeah, I did need that, but it's okay. I only won cause I had like few extra hits on that guy. If I didn't have extra hits, I would have died already. The beginning when I started hitting him when he got glitched in a block. I think he threw a pot down at himself, so can't really talk about that right now. Okay, let's get a bow. Finally, let's get another bow. Bow. Let's go. Let's put it in third. Solution second. Okay, let's go. We can go to middle, even though I'm scared, but someone is in middle. So let's just go say hi to them. I'm just so happy that I killed the guy, even though I didn't really want to kill him. He came to attack me. He got what he didn't realize would be death. He said that I'm a little guy who doesn't know how to do anything, but I proved him wrong. I'm the PvP master of them all. Dun dun dun. I don't know you. Get away from me. I don't know you. I don't know you. I don't know you. Okay, he's not trying to kill us. Okay, he's not coming. That's kind of good. Mystery chest. Oh, that's in the middle, right there. Is there a boundary? No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes, there is. I think it's coming close. Maybe. Watcha, watcha. I kind of want to go to the middle, but I don't know. We have a spare golden apple. I mean, okay. Let's just try this out. I mean, two people or one person. Dun 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 dun. He got a few chops off, but boy, I killed him! I freaking killed him! Okay, throw. This is amazing. I killed him! Talking about a professional fighter. Is he here? Is this guy here? Hope he's not. I don't know where he is though. It says he's here. Like above me or below me. This is a good thing. Go that way. Dig down. Let's just substitute this for this. So let's just dig down. Is that him? Like, I don't really know, but I can't tell. I don't know where he is. He's probably over there. Let's just try to run for it. He had some good stuff. Is it diamond? Yep. I mean, if he's not there, where can he be? In a trap. Just can't get it. We have 3 people? Oh no, two players alive. He's just gonna be hiding, I guess. Lapis, like I need it. Is there like an enchantment here, or we have to build it? I don't see an enchantment table, so I guess we can wait for now. Wait for another 30 seconds or something. Just dump all the junk off for now. Ooh, let's do some flint and steel. That is an amazing prop to have. If it burns him, he's dead, because he doesn't have that much stuff, I suppose. I just spawned the wolves in, so we have company. You want some food? You want some food, don't you? Don't you want some food? Let's give you some food, guys. Okay, now you can stand up and let's go kill people. I kind of really want to go find him. Oh jeez. Sorry, Wolfie. How did you have a baby? I left you for 10 seconds and you already have a baby. This is absurd amount of stuff you do. Babies, how do you keep taking damage? Am I that bad of a father? Or am I not the father? I'm tired of stuff. Let's go level deeper. Did I just see someone? No, I didn't. That looks suspicious. No, that's my trail. Yeah, that's me building up. Somewhere that will go up here. It says he's behind us. I don't get it. Let's go, babies. Let's go teleport to the top. I'm gonna show you how to win Hunger Games. I don't know where the guy is. We like playing hide and seek special. So clear. I mean, where is it hiding? I see enchantment table. We can go enchant real fast. But that's not gonna really work too well. I'm just so mad already because he wants me to quit, but I'm not gonna quit because I have very good stuff. You know that I need you. You know that I need you. Protection. Well, I just won. That guy left. I just won, guys. Oh, amazing. First time playing here. First time winning. Well, let's do second round. We'll be back soon. Welcome back, guys, to another second round of Skywars. And today we just gotta die. Of course we're not just gonna die. We're gonna take some people down with us. But if we do a nice job, it's gonna be good. Okay, so we have to collect as many ores as we can. Diamond sword right off the bat. Okay. That's all I see for now. So if we wanna get more, we have to dig in. Let's go dig in. Have to be at this level. And now we can fight people. Okay. I don't see any ores yet. I don't see any ores yet. Okay, let's just get this golden ore and another golden ore and another golden ore. Lucky items, huh? Lucky items, huh? Oh, jeez, those like the best. Those the best. We got a redstone. Okay, diamond forever. Diamonds are forever. So we got a diamond sword. Ah, we lost a heart. We lost a motherfucking heart. I don't want to lose hearts. Okay. Okay. Okay, so clear here. Ooh, coast is clear, but not forever. Okay, we got some diamond boots. Oh. I'm not here. I'm not here. You cannot see me. This is like the best god of chocolates. He cannot kill me. He cannot kill me, no matter how hard he tries. I'm so scared right now because I saw a guy there. Oh, I heard him build, but just hide here for now. When he gets in here, I'm gonna punch him, break the block, and kill him. I'm so curious. Let me just get out for a second. Probably gonna resolve my death, but it's okay. Did someone else kill him for me? Thanks, guys. I love you. Well, someone else literally killed him for me. Just troll him a little. I'm out. Okay, he doesn't have good stuff. I think I might have better stuff than him, but let's just arrange our inventory a little better. TNT doesn't look good. And craft a bell. Got a reputation for a long night. Ever since I left the city, you. Okay, if it doesn't want to go the easy way, let's go the hardest way. That's good. That is extremely awesome, dude. Thanks for fucking up. He just fucked up so you can just build and he won't even hear us build. Nor see us build. Because he's a fucking loser. As soon as he starts building, I'm gonna shoot him. So he falls into the void and I get the kill and the points and love. He doesn't see shit. Let him build out a little. And I shot him once, but it wasn't good enough. It was not good enough. Look, I can shoot you forever, you know that, right? I don't have pants, that's the problem. I don't have pants. That sounds so bad. You wanna find my pants? Daddy, you wanna find my pants? Daddy, you wanna find my pants? Daddy, where are my pants at? Yo, let's open this one up. Daddy, I'm here. Daddy. Daddy? Daddy! You're dying, Daddy! No, Daddy! You're dying! Daddy, you died! Daddy! You did? I just killed him. That was the cheekiest thing I've ever done. I wanted it to look a little better, as if like I killed him earlier, kinda. You know, when he started building, I would have shot him off. But it didn't happen, so let's store all the junk in here. I'm not saying that that's junk, I just don't need it at this moment. moment. Let's just put a compass over here. I'll just substitute these two real fast. Okay, we're ready to kill the people. I don't think anyone is at spawn. No one is at spawn, guys. We can clearly get all the diamond items right away. No one is at spawn. I hope not. I hope, please not. No one be at spawn. Please, no one be at spawn. Please, no one be at spawn. Please give me more blocks. There we go. Dirt. Let's go. More dirt. Dirt is life. Now cobblestone is life. Okay. Okay. I mean, like, nothing good. Oh, jeez, the lag back though. Looks like someone is in here, but I don't see him. That's okay, let me just loot this whole thing. Got more blocks, I guess. I'm very nervous right now. There we go, we got some pants. Pantalones. Okay, we're doing good so far. Okay, let's substitute a chest plate for this. That scared me. Anyone home? This is like awesome. Anyone here? No, that's good. I see you, baby. Oh jeez, I died. Okay, let's just kill him. My bad, guys. 'Cause I suck. There was lava. Tell me that guy died. Tell me that that guy died. Tell me that he's gonna die. Tell me that he's gonna die. Tell me that he's gonna die. Oh my god! Well, on this note, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And make sure to like, subscribe, follow for this insane death.